How to use Deepseek for research. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Deepseek as your ultimate AI research assistant. Now to start off, let me tell you the three most used cases that you can use Deepseek or any AI assistant for your research. Firstly, you can use it for summarization and comprehension. When you're faced with a long and complex paper or article, you can use Deepseek to break it down for you. Secondly, for brainstorming and ideation, you can use Deepseek to overcome writer's block and explore new angles for research papers or thesis. And thirdly, you can use Deepseek for drafting and structuring. It can help you move on from rough ideas to a structured outline. Let me show you a use case for it if you are starting a literature review. So you can add in a similar prompt. Make sure the prompt is descriptive and specific. You can add in different options to give Deepseek a better idea of what you're trying to generate. With this single prompt, Deepseek can generate a foundation structure for the entire literature review. Now, the one thing that you need to keep in mind is this is not the final result. If you are not satisfied with the result that you have, you can always iterate and refine your prompt so that you get a better answer. Along with that, if you have any documents, you can upload them as well so that Deepseek can take a look at all of those papers and generate better answers. So that was a video about the way that you can use Deepseek for your research. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.